Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this turning a polygon node into a curve. If we go to edit and clone that guy, your clone is normally on top. This is your control polygon. So let's move it out of the way and put P, put it in the center of the page. And then let's control D, and while holding down the shift key, make that a little bit smaller, and then control D, control D. So all these are clones of this guy. So if we take the shape tool and we grab that right there and turn it into a curve, anything we do to this one is going to do to those. So you can really make some abstract artwork, flowers. You can turn all of them into like smooth and get that effect, but you can still move the handles in and out. They're going to remain smooth by doing that. You could right click and turn it into a cusp, and then you can move individual without moving the other side. So you could get something like that and then take I'm still using somebody else's file with CMYK, but if you got like a green and filled in every other shape, it'd be a pretty unique shape. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.